Next question on your subsidiary books. Enter the following transactions in the books of Rahul Enterprises in purchase book, sales book, purchase return books and sales return book. So only 4 types of books are asked from us. Let's start the entry. Purchase goods from Nisha rupees 7,000 and paid carriage 2,000. So first book that is affected is your purchase book. Okay, the first transaction, purchase goods from Nisha. So in particulars, Nisha, goods purchased on credit of value of 7,000. So 7,000 will come in your purchase book. Now what about of carriage paid rupees 200? Carriage paid 200 is paid in cash. So it should go to your cash book. Now in question we have been asked only purchase book, sales book, purchase return book and sales return book. So cash book is not asked and therefore we will leave that amount of carriage 200. Going on to point number 2. Purchased office table, that is sort of furniture. Purchased office table on credit from Millennium Crafts rupees 10,000. Now will you record purchase of any asset in your purchase book? No. It is purchased on credit from Millennium Craft 10,000. Furniture is coming in. So it will go to journal proper and never be recorded in your purchase book. And here journal proper is not asked. So we will just leave point number 2. Coming up to point number 3. Purchases goods from Mr. Gandhi for rupees 10,000. Again a purchase. So this portion will come in your purchase book. And sold the same to Mr. Pappu at the rate 25% profit on cost. Okay. So other book that is affected is your sales book. So open sales book. Point number 3. First you have to purchase from Mr. Gandhi, that is purchase on credit. So write Mr. Gandhi. How much? 10,000. And was sold to Mr. Pappu at 25% profit on cost. So point number 3. In sales book, Mr. Pappu, 25% profit on cost. So 10,000 is your cost and the 25% of 10,000 comes up to 2,500. So 2,500 profit plus your 10,000 cost comes up to 12,500 in your outer column. So 12,500 in your sales book outer column. If for this working you can show separately in your working notes. I am doing here so that you can understand easily. Okay. Moving on to the 4th point. Sent a debit note to Nisha for rupees 3,000 for goods returned. See, earlier I had purchased from Nisha 7,000. Okay, and now I am sent a debit note. So debit note means purchase return is being affected. So open the account of purchase return. Purchase return account. How much? 3,000. So number 4, Nisha, and debit note. Debit note means relation to purchase return. So how much is the amount? 3,000. So this is for all for this question.